What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you a different type of video, and this is not a gaming video. So today I'm going to show you my championship title that I made, and this is it. As you can see, this has a WWE Network logo on it. So this is a customized Attitude Era Championship. As you can see here, this is the championship. And this one here. Alright, as you can see here, the two-sided plates. It has a green logo on it, and also the two-sided plates here. So it has a plain logo here. So this is how it looks on my shoulders. I cannot be able to see it for you at the background because currently it's still raining, but I'll show you some clips on how it looks. For watching the video, this is just a short film or a short video showcasing my championship. Now, this will be a series wherein every week I'll try my best to make a championship so that I can show it to you. So once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll go ahead and show you how I made this championship from scratch to the finish. So if you like the video, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and at the same time comment below. And as always, see you next time.